In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bank transaction rules in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to set up a rule that automatically categorizes your bank transactions, saving you time and reducing manual entry errors. To start, bank rules are a powerful automation tool in QuickBooks Online. They watch the transactions coming in from your connected bank accounts and apply your chosen logic to categorize them consistently. This is especially helpful for recurring expenses or deposits that follow a pattern, like monthly software subscriptions or regular client payments. Begin by heading to the left panel and selecting Accounting. This takes you to the area where transactions and related tools live. Next, open the Rules tab. This is the central hub for creating, viewing, and managing your bank rules. Click the New Rule button to create a fresh rule. The first thing you'll do is name your rule. Pick a clear, descriptive name so you can quickly recognize it later. For example, use something like software subscription, card ending 124, instead of something vague. Good naming keeps your list organized and makes maintenance easier. Now it's time to define when the rule should apply and the specific conditions. Conditions are the if part of your rule. You can base them on details like the bank text or description that comes from your bank feed, the amount, or other identifying information. Use logic like contains for keywords that appear consistently in the memo or description, and be as specific as necessary to avoid catching unrelated transactions. If you need more precision, add multiple conditions and choose whether all of them must be true or just any one of them. Once your conditions are set, choose the action the rule should take. This is the then part. Typically, you'll select the correct category or account, assign a payee, and optionally add a memo, class, or location to keep your reporting clean. Think about how you want the transaction to appear in your books and set the action accordingly. Consistent categorization helps your profit and loss and tax reports stay accurate. After you've reviewed everything and confirmed it looks right, click Save. That's it. From here on, when new transactions that match your conditions come in, QuickBooks will apply your rule automatically or suggest it for review, depending on your preferences. Keep an eye on your bank feed to confirm the results and refine the rule name, conditions, or action later if your needs change.